When I try to estimate how well I will do on a test, I use two main inputs: hours spent studying and hours spent sleeping the night before the test. There may be more components to successful test taking, but for this demonstration, these two inputs will suffice. This adaptive Neuro-Fuzzy inference system will take in two crisp values: the number of hours spent studying and the number of hours spent sleeping on the night before a test. Looking at the graphs below, we see studying hours and sleeping hours both give the best yield of 1 at 8 hours. With studying, any less than 8 hours will show a lower grade, and any more than 8 hours will not raise the grade. With sleep, test score raises as sleep increases until reaching the point of 8 hours. After this, it decreases due to being too sleepy to take the test. From here, the arrows are color-coded, and as I am a good student for this hypothetical test, we will assume I studied and slept for 8 hours. The next layer of the system finds the weight of the inputs by multiplying the values of the membership functions of the given input values. Again, I studied for 8 hours and slept for 8 hours, so this is easy. 1 times 1 equals 1. And from here on out, we'll follow the fifth weight. The next layer normalizes the weights. It makes the ratio of the weight to the sum of all weights. Again, we're using the fifth weight and comparing it to the sum of all 6 weights. The next layer includes the adaptive function with the parameters p, q, and r. These are each adjusted for every single weight. The final layer is the sum of all signals, which should lead us in the end to our golden output. In this case, it should predict that I achieve 100% on this test based on the fact that I studied and slept for 8 hours the night before the test.